In this video, I'll show you how to pronounce equity, explain what it means, and show you how it's used in sentences. Equity, equity, ek-wi-ti, ek-wi-ti, equity, equity, equity. Equity means ownership value in something, especially in a company after debts are subtracted from assets. It can also mean fairness or equal treatment. He built equity in his home over many years of mortgage payments. Investors gained equity when the company's value increased. The goal of the policy is fairness and equity for all students. She owns equity in several startups. Home equity can be used to borrow money from a bank. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.